Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today we have our first pair of Ultra Boost for winter and I'm very happy to show it to you. As always, we start with the unboxing. These are my sizes. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments. The price of this pair was 180 euros, and if it's first time in Adidas, it will cost 144 with 20% off. In United States, they are 190 US dollars. I have to admit that this pair of sneakers look amazing. They have nice colorway, nice materials, and they are just beautiful, to be honest. The main selling point on these sneakers is that they are water repellent, they are winter ready, and I like the thing that they are very reflective. The material that has usually on the top, that prime knit, in this case is very thin textile material, is water repellent. They are saying that this particular material, it works well with light rain and snow. I wouldn't dare to splash it too much anyway. The laces that came on these sneakers, they are a bit different. They are special for running, but if you don't like them, you have another pair which are regular. Both of them, they are reflective. The regular pair of laces that came in the plastic bag have 94 centimeters or 37 inches. One thing that I'm sure you will notice is this rubber, which makes them a bit hard to get on your feet, to be honest. I personally didn't like too much this rubber around your ankle because you have to use a shoehorn or something, otherwise it's way too hard to get them on. I feel the need to remind everyone that this is the shape of my feet and it's important when it comes to comfort. In my case, I didn't have any problems with these ones. They are quite comfy, to be honest, even though I have this arch. You can see here how thin is the insole, but the good thing is that under these insoles you're gonna find that Ultra Boost foam, which is comfy enough. In comparison with Ultra Boost 20, I found it that these ones have the toe box a bit more generous and I like it a bit more. They are not that snug. On the heels, they have this material which is very soft. Reminds me of the material from New Balance 997 Made In. Is that soft? The sole, it comes with this winter grip that is special from Continental. Although I like the grip on these sneakers, there are few things that I don't like it with this rubber sole. First of it is those exposed spots of Ultra Boost, and the other one is that is a bit too sticky. The midsole is painted with grey reflective paint. All the fabrication on the sneakers is very well done, no problems with the extra glue or anything else. Here we have the weight test in comparison with New Balance 1080 version 9 and some close-ups with the regular pair of laces. And some quick physical comparison between them. The New Balance outsole has a bit more width. Upper angle unfit shots. Pros and cons. I will start with the pros. First I will say the colorway, of course. They have this water repellent function, which I like it. They have that reflective materials, which is very important in the dark. The comfort, of course, and double pair of laces. Now cons. First thing, the price, as always, because they are expensive. Other thing that I don't like it too much is around your ankle. It has that rubber. It makes them quite difficult to get on your feet. And the last thing, I think I would say that sole, which is a bit too sticky for my liking, and it has the exposed Ultra Boost foam. My verdict on them, give them a try. See if you like that rubber around your ankle. If it doesn't bother you too much and you have the money, they are quite okay. Other than that, what can I say? As always, thank you very much for watching. See you next time. If you have any questions, just let me know, and please don't forget to subscribe.